Here is a beginner-level IT Manager quiz number 2 based on IT infrastructure and network management, software development and application management, and IT governance and compliance. Let's go! Question 1. A network device that connects multiple devices within a local area network, LAN, and forwards data to the appropriate destination. A. Router, B. Switch, C. Firewall, and D. Modem. Answer: Switch. Question 2. Which of the following is responsible for translating domain names, like google.com, into IP addresses? A. VPN, B. DHC server, C. Firewall, and D. DNS server. Answer: DNS server. Question 3. The primary purpose of a firewall in network security is to A. Prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network, B. Improve network speed, C. Assign IP addresses dynamically, and D. Enhance user experience. Answer: Prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. Question 4. A cloud computing model that provides virtual machines, networking, and storage as a service is known as A. SaaS, software as a service, B. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, C. PaaS, platform as a service, and D. DaaS, desktop as a service. Answer: IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Question 5. Which of the following protocols is commonly used to transfer files securely over a network? A. HTTP, B. FTP, C. SSH, and D. SFTP. Answer: SFTP. Question 6. What is the first phase of the software development lifecycle? SDLC. A. Coding, B. Deployment, C. Requirements analysis, and D. Testing. Answer: Requirements analysis. Question 7. Which of the following software development methodologies is best suited for projects with evolving requirements? A. Waterfall, B. Agile, C. Six Sigma, and D. Lean. Answer: Agile. Question 8. A software testing technique where the internal structure of the application is not known to the tester is called A. White box testing, B. Regression testing, C. Unit testing, and D. Black box testing. Answer: Black box testing. Question 9. Which of the following helps in tracking software defects, bugs, and feature requests? A. Gantt chart, B. Bug tracking system, C. Network monitoring tool, and D. Firewall. Answer: Bug tracking system. Question 10. Which database type is commonly used for structured data and supports SQL queries? A. NoSQL, B. Object-oriented database, C. Relational database, and D. Key value store. Answer: relational database. Congratulations on completing the first 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which IT governance framework helps organizations manage risk, control, and compliance? A. ISO 9001, B. COBIT C Six Sigma, and D. DEVOPS. Answer: COBIT. Question 12. Which regulation protects personal data and privacy in the European Union? A. GDPR, B. HIPAA, C. PCI DSS, and D. SOX. Answer: GDPR. Question 13. A policy that ensures only authorized users have access to IT resources follows which principle? A. Open authentication, B. Maximum access, C. Least privilege, and D. Full control. Answer: least privilege. Question 14. Which of the following ensures that electronic financial transactions are securely processed? A. PCI DSS, B. GDPR, C. HIPAA, and D. NIST. Answer: PCI DSS. Question 15. Which type of IT audit ensures that IT systems comply with regulations and organizational policies? A. Technical audit, B. Security audit, C. Compliance audit, and D. Performance audit. Answer: compliance audit. Question 16. What is the purpose of IT asset management, ITAM? A. Managing user accounts, B. Tracking and managing IT hardware and software assets, C. Monitoring network performance, and D. Developing software applications. Answer: tracking and managing IT hardware and software assets. Question 17. A tool used for monitoring the performance and health of IT systems is called A. Gantt chart, B. ERP Enterprise Resource Planning, C. CRM Customer Relationship Management, and D. SIEM Security Information and Event Management. Answer: SIEM, Security Information and Event Management. Question 18. Which type of backup ensures that only changed or new data is saved since the last backup? A. Full backup, B. Differential backup, C. Incremental backup, and D. Cloud backup. Answer: incremental backup. Question 19. A key advantage of cloud computing is A. Scalability and cost efficiency, B. More control over physical servers, C. Higher hardware costs, and D. Limited accessibility. Answer: scalability and cost efficiency. Question 20. Which of the following is an IT service management (ITSM) framework used to align IT services with business needs? A. Six Sigma, B. ITIL, C. Agile, and D. DevOps. Answer: ITIL. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.